But hey, wait, what about AI, right? Can't I just build a website with AI now? This is what people are talking about, and people are asking me, right? Artificial intelligence can do everything now, right? Well, yeah, sort of, but not really. And if you've experimented with AI, you'll know what I'm talking about. So AI can generate website code fast, just like WordPress can. But AI gives you old static HTML and with no easy way to update it. And also, as someone has typed in the chat, it doesn't always give you the truth, right? I'll ask AI a question and it'll give me a wrong answer and I'll say that's wrong and it'll say, "Oh, I'm sorry. Here, try this. No, that doesn't work. Oh, I'm sorry. Try this." And so, there's a love-hate I have, and I think many, and you probably have with AI if you've used it. So sure, it can give you a static HTML, but there's no easy way to update it. And so that's why many years ago, everyone moved off of the HTML system and started using WordPress to build their websites. And here's another thing AI can't do. AI cannot connect your domain name to your hosting account and publish it on the internet. All those things it cannot do.